This is 55 Romney Street in Charleston, South Carolina. It's an 8-story condominium building being, built right now behind us. As of right now, we're working with Owen Electric, who has purchased the Fast Trak and our Fast Trak tracks, to hang some MC, some metallic conduit in the parking garage area.
Gripple was chosen on this job because of the huge labor savings that I saw, the opportunities in, with the labor shortages and the ability to get the job done with less people. The biggest benefits for using Gripple as opposed to rod and strut is labor and safety. You're not using as many tools. You're not pulling out saws and files and bandsaws.
What is beneficial for using Fast Trak over the traditional methods is, again, we're not cutting any strut. Ours is already pre-cut to length. We're not using any threaded rod and having to cut and deburr that as well.
What we do is just take a regular 1¼ bolt and screw in the tracks on two sides, and then the bar just snaps on. It's a lot faster installation. It doesn't take as many man hours to do, and it just snaps together so quickly.
So Dave was able to look at it and say, okay, for every 5th bracket, we're going to fabricate a roller, so when we pull our conduit, it'll make it easier to roll across the brackets. So things like that, and then utilizing one insert for 2 of our tracks and doing that together, that again was Owen's idea, and again, that comes from their field expertise.
I would tell other contractors to definitely use this. It goes a lot faster, it takes a whole lot less time, and would save time and money.
I would say to other contractors who are considering Gripple, Fast Trak, you have to think outside the box. You have to find ways to be innovative, whether in your own method or through a company like Gripple. And this product is fantastic, and I would recommend it to anybody.